How to add plugins to OBS. So first of all, we need to open a browser tab and search for obs.com/forum/plugin/ and after coming to this website, as you can see, there are multiple plugins here. So you just have to select the plugin you want to install in OBS. So first of all, you need to select the plugin. So let's say advanced screen switcher is the one we want to install as the plugin. So we have to go to the downloads from here and scroll down and look for the zip file available. So you just have to click on zip file from here and it will be start downloading, and after it's downloaded you just have to simply go to the downloads folder from here and you just have to extract all on this folder. As you can see, I have already extracted the folder and it contains two subfolders. So now we just have to open another files explorer and go to the program files where we installed the OBS. So we'll go to the OBS studio and just simply copy this and paste this here, and then you just have to click on the replace and files the destination and click on the continue, and then you just have to reload them and close the folders and open the OBS studio and check if your plugin is working fine or not. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.